Hey, how's it going? Thanks for tuning in to my video here. My name is Anthony Price, and I am a life insurance broker. And I recently pinned this or a photo similar to this to my Facebook profile. So if you have any questions, I can help you out with just kind of helping out with some answers. If you're looking at life insurance, there's I just wanted to do a quick video here to kind of create just kind of a really just kind of simple overview on life insurance so that if you have any questions I can again answer those for you. So um, my phone number and email are there, and then I'll also tag to that page some of the providers, and then brokerage I work with, Cardinal Senior Benefits. Shout out to our team at Cardinal. But yeah, just kind of a quick understanding, quick getting covered, and then just ways to kind of bank money with life insurance. So how you doing there, Anthony? So gonna give you just a quick look here. So yeah, if I can help you with anything, just wanted to make sure that you had a resource available to kind of help some of those questions out for you. So just kind of super quick getting started. What is it? Life insurance. And so basically, what life insurance is that it banks money away that you will give you access to what's banked at a later period, or given to a trusted resource or a beneficiary if you pass away. And so, yeah, basically, how it works is, you pay your premium, and then down the road, gosh forbid, something happens to you, life insurance is there to be unfortunate death benefit. But in the meantime, what uh, one of the forms of life insurance does is it just banks money away that eventually you'll have access to. And so that's what I do my best to help out with and help resources or help folks as a resource. So, but yeah, life insurance banks money away, and you'll have access at a later period, or given to a beneficiary. And so there's two ways that you can purchase life insurance. There's term, and then there's perm. And so I'll get into term here. Term provides coverage for a specific period. So, if you're um, you're let's say 30 years old, and you're looking to cover yourself or a home or your young family. What life insurance does with term is it just kind of helps you in the event of some accident or illness or something that happens to you, that you'd have protection in place. And so that's kind of basically the ideal with term is just to be there as a stopgap, and then um, yeah, you have that backstop there. And so there are some providers that are pretty good about providing that. And so as your broker, we just work to find you the best resource that way. And then the other side of life insurance is whole life, which is permanent. And so basically how that works is it just provides coverage as long as you pay your premium. So if you keep paying your premiums, you'll have coverage in place, and then this builds cash value. So um, that's that way. This is kind of what I was alluding to, kind of saving some money there. So it help you that way. So again, there's kind of a reason for both, um, and then I kind of lean a little more towards whole life because it's again able to help you kind of bank some stuff away financially. And so pros for term is it usually kind of starts off a little more affordable. It makes sense though because it's only covering you for a certain period, and then after that period, it's no longer in place. And so, kind of the other side of term is that if you term out, then you have to buy new insurance. If that's kind of in your wheelhouse, and there's again good reasons for making sure that you make that investment. So I'm talking a little bit, kind of in circles, but just want to make sure I'm able to cover that for you. And then with whole life, the pros for that is just again it builds cash value. Both of these are tax-free payments, so again it's just ways to protect yourself, protect your family, and then just kind of having that in place. And so digging into kind of getting covered, insurance companies just like want to make sure they're doing their best to cover you, but it's got to be worth their investment too. So what basically they do is just kind of factor in you, and typically your health and age, and then they'll do a policy on you. They'll have an underwriter underwrite that, and then um, you know hopefully everything comes back well. It should, and then you'll have that in place. And so um, could have explained that a little bit better, but it's a very simple process. If you especially looking at like whole life, simple issue whole life, it's just a couple health questions, no medical exam, and then you have coverage in place. Granted things go well. So yeah, I said kind of a little bit of each of those blips there, but you need to go through a broker to go through that, or an agent to get you set up in that. So that's what someone like myself would do, or a resource um, that through your bank, or through credit union, or through there's through your church, places like that. Um, they have agents or resources that you can get life insurances through. So but yeah, and then on that, once you have coverage in place, you have that peace of mind, ease of mind. Once you're covered, it's kind of up to you and your resource to help you manage that. Policies in place, and you're in control. And then, as a broker, we're there for you if you need it. Any questions you have, we're there with resources. If you want to add coverage, or if you want to, you know, change beneficiaries, things like that, we're there to kind of point you in the right direction, or just be the resource that gets that taken care of for you. So, um, but yeah, and then lastly, just kind of building wealth. On that whole life side, if you have a simple issue policy, you're able to save some money and bank some money for you and your family. And so, again, that's just kind of the main thing that I try to do my best to explain. I don't, uh, you know, want to make this too involved, but I've got about 6.5 minutes on this video. And so, if a resource like myself can help you, I'm happy to. I got my phone number in the video here. Um, Happy to kind of get you in the right place, or just kind of get you to the right resources, and just answer questions as a broker for you. So feel free to give me a call. Again, my name's Anthony Price. I'm a licensed resource. Some of my top providers there at the bottom with my contact, and then yeah, I'm able to help out. So have a great rest of your day, and let me know if I can help.